Dear Justice Kennedy, my name is Terry Purdue, aka Vidhead85 on YouTube, and I am urging you to uphold the Proposition 8 ruling, at least to vote yes, to overturn the law and uphold the ruling by the Ninth Circuit Court. I believe that in the rulings you shall see that it is objective, and it in fact involves a fundamental right that was taken away because the fact that the right was new. I believe, regarding your Romer versus Evans case and the opinion therein, that the situation is enough alike to where the court should strike down Proposition 8 now and forever, and also wait a minute, what am I thinking? Other marriage bans that exist where the right was never given, or at least recognized. It is the responsibility of the court to not create rights, but to recognize them. And when they are recognized, they should not be taken away because of a crowd who believes that this is a special one. The court was created to uphold rights and not take them away because of the fact that a popular minority or majority wants to take away that right. Thank you, a legal head, Terry Purdue. Nothing was written on this paper. However, I feel that the court opinions of Judge Vaughn Walker and Stephen Reinhart were aimed directly at Justice Kennedy. Now, he's looked at as the moderate. I don't exactly know if he can really retain such a moderate, the moderate of the court title. However, considerably, he is kind of moderate. So I kind of see where that would go. However, I do feel that those rulings were in fact speaking to Justice Kennedy of the Supreme Court, because he often is the fifth vote that swings many rulings. If it's the, what is it, Thomas, Scalia, Alito, and Breyer, I want to say. And then there's Kennedy, and then there's Sotomayor, Ginsburg, Keegan, and another Justice, Samuel, or Alito maybe. Alito was over here. But Breyer is no longer the Supreme Court. Anyway, there's always 4 and 4. When there's a 5-4 decision, usually Kennedy is the swing vote that swings it one way or the other. And I feel that in the Prop 8 case, if they grant certiorari, if they grant hearing the case, he will be the vote that usually swings it, and it will definitely be something that he will write the ruling. Usually if he's with Scalia usually writes the ruling. If he's in with the newer justices, he would write the ruling. Because usually the most senior person on there writes the ruling, and I guess they can delegate it to whoever they want to if a person wants to write the opinion. So anyway, I do feel as if the rulings in the Perry case are intended, in other words, to detail everything, so that no matter what, Justice Kennedy is basically, it's like a letter to Justice Kennedy, because it's laying out every single thing that they put in the case, so that no matter what, the legal reasoning is sound, and they can basically convince that swing vote to join overturning Proposition 8. So that was a theory that I'm beginning to believe, because I believe it to be true. And there's just no other way, if you ask me. So YouTube, you have yourself a great day. I'm going to get my workout in, and then next time you see me, I'll be all sweaty in the same shirt. Have a good day, YouTube.